this video, we're going to look at how Property Connect can help you as an investor find the right sourcers. For the purposes of this video, we're going to go straight to find sourcers. Okay, so we can see that in our demo system, we've got 458 users. Let's say that what we're explicitly looking for here are buy-to-let sourcers, people who specify in buy-to-let in Manchester. So first of all, we're going to do a location filter. Manchester is what we're looking for. Okay, 49 sourcers. So now let's specify our buy-to-let filter. We're not really interested in these other strategies at the moment. So we're just going to go for buy-to-let. So that brings us down to 9 sourcers. To make things a bit easier for ourselves, we can sort by rating. We can now see that 3 of our users have received ratings. So let's start off with the highest rated user, Leona. She's got a brief description and she's been given 1 user rating. When we scroll down further, we can see she only specifies in buy-to-let, which is what we're looking for. But she does spread herself over 3 locations. So that might be a good thing for us. But maybe in this case, we want someone who is more specific to Manchester. Also, we can see that no compliance information has been filled out. So let's go back to the other results. Let's check out Irene. So we can see that she's got 2 reviews, 4.5, not bad. She has specified a minimum fee here, it's 2K. And she only sources in Manchester. Okay, and we can see she's got a bit more information in her description. Seems to know Manchester pretty well. Okay. Then we've got Jerry. Okay, Jerry's got no description at all. He's had a review. Oh, he's also got a minimum fee of 5K, so quite expensive with not much information. So all things considered, let's just say Irene is the sourcer we want to get in contact with. So the next thing to do is to get in contact. So she specified a website, a phone number, and an email address. So we can just send her an email, give her a call, and establish that relationship.